How to lock apps on iPhone using a custom passcode. Start by opening the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. It's a default Apple app. Once you're in, tap Done if a welcome screen appears, then hit the plus icon at the top to create a new shortcut. Tap Search at the bottom and type Ask for Input. From the list, tap Ask for Input, then switch the input type from text to number. Now type the passcode you want to use, for example, 12234. After that, tap Done. Go back to Search, type If, and tap to add the If action. Now set it so that if Ask for Input is equal to 1234, it will trigger the next step. Search again and choose Open App, then select the app you want to lock, like Instagram. Drag the Open App action so it sits right under the If condition. This way, if the correct passcode is entered, it will open Instagram. To handle incorrect passcodes, search for Show Alert and write a message like Wrong passcode, try again. Drag the alert to the Otherwise section so it appears when the code is wrong. Now tap the small arrow at the top of the screen and select Add to Home Screen. Rename the shortcut to Instagram so it looks like the original app. To make it look even more realistic, open the App Store, search for Instagram, and take a screenshot of the app icon. Crop the screenshot to just the icon and save it to your photos. Back in Shortcuts, tap the icon next to the shortcut name, select Choose Photo, and pick your cropped Instagram image. Once everything looks good, tap Add. Now the shortcut appears on your home screen with the Instagram name and icon. When you tap it, it'll ask for a passcode. If you type 1234 and press Done, it will open the app. If you type the wrong number, it'll show your alert message. You can also adjust the settings to hide the input prompt at the top if you don't want it to show. And that's it. Now your app is locked with a custom passcode and looks just like the real one.